I've seen the aftermath of over 1,300 control arm failures and 3,600 full suspension overhauls. Most of them had one thing in common. The driver ignored a $15 problem until it became a $3,000 catastrophe. Your suspension isn't just about comfort, it's the only thing keeping your tires on the road and your frame off the asphalt. Today, I'm giving you the professional playbook, 10 secrets to making your suspension last essentially forever. We're talking about a $14 bottle of liquid gold and 5-minute inspections that save your bank account. Stick around for the cold weather mistake that even seasoned car guys get wrong. It's the silent killer of high-mileage daily drivers. Secret number 10, don't let the rubber seals crack. Most suspension components are engineered to survive 100,000 miles, but there is a soft expiration date, the rubber. Bushings, boots, and seals are the cartilage of your car. Once they dry out and crack, road grime enters the joint, acts like sandpaper, and it's game over. While most people think this is just old age, you can actually chemically pause the clock. Enter at 205 reseal. You won't find this in your owner's manual because the manufacturer would rather sell you a new control arm. This stuff isn't just for stopping oil leaks, it's a plasticizer that restores the chemical flexibility of rubber. To do this right, get your car in the air and pull the wheels. Put some at 205 into a spray bottle and mist the rubber bushings, the power steering rack boots, the CV boots, and even the upper strut mounts. Think of it like lotion for your car's joints. When you keep those lower control arm bushings supple, you're avoiding a repair that easily clears $1,300 on a standard sedan, and double that on a BMW or Lexus. 5 minutes of spraying twice a year. That's the best hourly rate you'll ever earn. Secret number 9, stop abusing your cars. Unless you have a dedicated oops fund of $3,000 sitting in your drawer, stop treating every pothole like a challenge. The math behind metal fatigue is brutal. In controlled stress tests, coil springs on a rough, unmaintained road lasted exactly 1,248 cycles before fracturing. On a smooth road, they lasted 19,060 cycles. Do you see the gap? We are talking about a 1,500% difference in lifespan. If you're the type to send it over speed bumps, you're essentially aging your suspension by a decade every single year. A full set of quality springs and the labor to compress them will run you $1,400, but the lower control arms are even more sensitive. On rough terrain, they fail in a fraction of their intended life. On smooth pavement, they're theoretically infinite life parts. Which version of the car do you want to own? The one that costs $3,600 every 3 years in road tax repairs, or the one that drives like new for 20 years? Secret number 8, get the junk out of your trunk. Modern manufacturers are obsessed with weight. That's why only 40% of US cars and a measly 3% in the UK come with a spare tire anymore. They replaced them with fix-a-flat kits to save 40 pounds. Why? Because weight kills efficiency, but more importantly, weight kills shocks. If you're carrying 100 pounds of just-in-case gear in your trunk, your springs are permanently compressed. This changes your suspension geometry, meaning your shocks are constantly working in a narrow, stressed range of travel. Over time, the internal valving gives up. You'll notice saggy bottom syndrome, poor acceleration, and tires that wear out in the middle. Be honest, when was the last time you actually used that heavy floor jack or those spare crates of oil you're hauling? Clean out the trunk today. Your struts will thank you and your wallet will enjoy the MPG boost. Secret number 7, never delay wheel alignment. Here is a statistic that keeps me up at night. 35% of drivers knowingly delay an alignment for over a month. They think it's a suggestion or a mechanic's upsell. It's not. When your alignment is off by even 2 millimeters, your tires aren't rolling, they're being dragged sideways. This creates a lateral force that tugs on your ball joints, tie rod ends, and wheel bearings 100% of the time you're moving. You aren't just wearing out tires, you're literally pulling your suspension apart. A $150 alignment is the cheapest insurance policy you can buy. Many shops now offer a lifetime alignment deal or free checks during oil changes. If your steering wheel is even 1 degree off-center, you are burning money. Why wait until you need $2,000 in front-end work? Secret number 6, protect your strut mounts. The strut mount is the unsung hero of your ride quality. It's a metal plate with a thick rubber sandwich inside that sits at the top of your wheel well. Its job, to make sure you don't feel every pebble in your teeth. If that rubber sandwich cracks, your strut can actually gain play, leading to a dangerous pop when you turn the wheel. If the boot rips, dirt gets into the strut piston and ruins the seal. Now you're looking at $800 to $1,300 for an axle set of struts. Pro tip, while you have that spray bottle of AT205, reach up into the top of the tower and give that mount some love. And for the DIYers out there, stop using an impact gun on the top nut without a torque wrench. Over-torquing that nut is the one reason new strut mounts fail in 6 months. Secret number 5, tighten your suspension bolts regularly. In the world of NASCAR, tight is fast. In the world of daily driving, loose is expensive. A study in the Journal of Automotive Safety found that vibrations from unpaved roads accelerate hardware wear by 38%. Think about it, your suspension is held together by bolts that are subjected to thousands of mini-earthquakes every mile. Eventually, things stretch. A slightly loose bolt allows a bushing to move. That movement creates heat. That heat kills the bushing. Every time you rotate your tires, roughly every 6,000 miles, grab a torque wrench and a spec sheet. Check the subframe bolts, the control arm bolts, and the sway bar links. It takes 10 minutes. If you're paying a shop, ask them for a suspension torque check. It's a lot cheaper than having a ball joint separate at 70 mph. Secret number 4, always keep your tires happy. Your tires are technically the very first stage of your suspension. They are the only part of the car that actually touches the road. If they are overinflated, they turn into hard rocks, sending 100% of the impact energy directly into your expensive metal parts. Running the wrong side can increase impact force by 35%. Imagine hitting a pothole and making it 35% worse just because you didn't check a gauge. That's how you blow out a shock absorber and shorten its life by 30%. Check the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb, not the max pressure on the tire sidewall, the door jamb pressure. Keep them rotated. If your tires are cupping or feathering, your suspension is already crying for help. Have you checked your pressure this month? Tell me in the comments what side you're running. You'd be surprised how many people are way off. Secret number 3, always rinse off salt. If you live in the Rust Belt or near the coast, you are driving in a chemical bath. Road salt isn't just dirt, it's an electrolyte that turns your car's undercarriage into a giant battery that's slowly eating itself. Salt gets trapped in the cups of your control arms and around your brake lines. Once the metal pits, it loses structural integrity. I've seen springs snap in half simply because of corrosion. The fix is a $30 water broom that attaches to your pressure washer. Slide it under the car once a week in the winter. If you don't have a driveway, the $20 touchless car wash with the undercarriage spray is worth every penny. You're spending $20 to save $5,000 in rust repairs down the road. It's the easiest math you'll ever do. Secret number 2, use quality replacement parts. We've all been there. The mechanic says it's $1,000 and you're part of the 59% of people who don't have that sitting in savings. It's tempting to hop on eBay and buy the white box special for $30 instead of the $200 OEM part. Don't do it. Suspension parts are safety critical. Cheap aftermarket ball joints are often made with inferior steel and mystery rubber. They might last 5,000 miles, but when they fail, they often take the CV axle and the fender with them. If you can't afford the dealership price, look for OE supplier brands, the companies like Moog, Lemferter, or Bilstein that actually make the parts for the car companies. You get the quality without the logo tax. And always replace in pairs. If the left strut is dead, the right one is 15 minutes behind it. Secret number 1, inspect your power steering fluid often. You're probably wondering, what does steering fluid have to do with my suspension? Everything. Your power steering rack is physically connected to your tie rods and knuckles. When your fluid gets dirty, it becomes abrasive. At 1,400 psi, dirty fluid acts like a liquid chainsaw, eating the internal seals of your rack. When that rack develops play or gets stiff, it forces the rest of your suspension to absorb the steering geometry errors. Check your fluid once a month. If it smells burnt or looks like black coffee, flush it. Keeping that fluid fresh protects the command center of your front end. Bonus secret, modern cars don't have grease zerks anymore. We used to be able to pump fresh grease into joints. Now they are sealed for life, which really means sealed until they die. This is why that AT205 rubber conditioner from Secret 10 is so vital. It is the only way to maintain a modern, non-serviceable suspension. You've now got the blueprint for a 500,000-mile chassis, but your suspension isn't the only thing quietly draining your bank account. In this next video, I reveal 11 hidden car problems that are siphoning $2,700 a year from the average driver. Click here to see what they are before your next minor noise becomes a major bill.